Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an infographic on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the marketing materials section you can find the infographic option. Select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add picture to your project, click to the photo section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search a picture or upload from your gallery. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add different objects to your project, click to the object section at the bottom of the screen, and here you can search objects. For example, click to the ice cream new. You can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animation to your project, click to the animation button, and here you can find animation which you can add to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.